Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping right in, getting straight to how you can really level up your game with AI language models, things like ChatGPT.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're focusing specifically on prompt engineering. If you're looking to absorb knowledge quickly, effectively, well, this is going to be super important.
It really is. Think of it like learning how to give really good instructions to the AI. Clear directions mean you get back precisely what you're aiming for.
Right.
And we're going to look at a framework, a pretty simple but really effective one for doing just that.
Exactly. It's about having a structure,
Yeah.
you know, a blueprint for writing those instructions. We're diving into what's called the five-part prompt structure.
Okay.
That's role, context, task or goal, format, and tone style. We'll
Yeah.
break down each one so you can, well, basically start using them right away.
Sounds good. Let's kick off with role. This is where you basically tell the AI who it needs to be, like what hat should it wear, what expertise should it bring.
Okay, like an expert.
Exactly. So an example might be, you are a senior marketing strategist.
It's interesting because that one little instruction immediately tells the AI to, think and talk like one.
Yeah, I could see that.
How different would the answer be if you just asked a general question versus asking a strategist?
No, totally different, I'd imagine. It filters everything. Okay, so after role, we have context.
Right. Context is all about the background info. What does the AI need to know about your specific situation to give a relevant answer?
Makes sense.
So maybe you'd say, I run a skincare brand focused on eco-conscious consumers.
Ah, okay.
That immediately clues the AI into your niche, your audience, what matters to you. Big difference from just saying, I have a skincare brand.
It's a huge difference. Much more targeted advice, I bet. Okay, that brings us to task goal. This seems pretty straightforward. What do you actually want the AI to do?
Precisely. And clarity here is key. Instead of something vague like, help me with content ideas.
Which could mean anything. Exactly. You'd say something specific like, generate a 30-day content calendar with post ideas for Instagram. The more specific the goal, the more focused and actionable the result.
Yeah, specificity leads to usefulness here.
Yeah.
Okay, next is format. How you want the information presented back to you.
Yep. Do you want bullet points, a paragraph, maybe a table comparing things?
Right.
Saying, list the ideas in bullet points saves you having to reformat it later. It makes the output immediately useful. What formats do you usually prefer?
For me, bullets are great for quick scans or maybe short summaries. Depends on the task, really.
Makes sense. And finally, number 5 is tone style. This is about the vibe, the voice you want the AI to use.
So not just what it says, but how it says it.
Exactly. You might need something very professional, very formal, or maybe you want it fun and modern, casual even.
Okay.
Specifying, say, use a fun and modern tone really shapes how that output feels and how it might be received.
I get it. Different situations call for different tones. Okay, let's pull it all together. How does this look in a complete prompt?
Good idea. So building on those elements, here's an example. You are a seasoned copywriter. That's the role.
Got it. Roll first.
Then, I'm launching a new fitness app for busy professionals. That's the context.
Okay, context set.
Your task is to write 3 ad headlines that hook attention for a LinkedIn campaign. There's the task goal.
Specific task, check.
Each headline should be under 15 words and make the tone punchy, modern, and results-driven. That covers format and tone style.
Wow, yeah. You can really see how each piece adds a layer of instruction. It's very clear what's needed.
Right. And all those parts work together to guide the AI. But here's a key thing to remember.
Oh, a pro tip.
Sort of.
Yeah.
It's that prompting is often iterative. You might not nail it perfectly on the very first try.
Ah, okay. So you might need to tweak it a bit.
Exactly. Play around with the role, adjust the context, refine the task. It's a bit of trial and error sometimes to get exactly the output you want.
That's good to know. It's a process, not just a one-shot deal.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's quickly recap this 5-part structure. Role, context, task goal, format, tone style. It really is a powerful way to get better, more efficient results from AI.
Definitely. It helps you leverage these tools much more effectively. And hey, to make it even easier for you starting out, here's a kind of template you can use.
Oh, nice. A reusable template.
Yeah, just fill in the blanks. Put the role expertise here, add your context, who you are, what you're working on. Your task is to your specific goal. Please respond in desired format style. Use a chosen tone voice style.
That's super helpful. A great starting point.
Keep that handy.
Perfect. So that brings us to our final thought for you today. Now that you have this framework, this structure, how might you use it? How could asking more strategic questions unlock new insights or solve problems faster in your own work today?
Something to think about.
Definitely. Thanks
Wow.
for taking this deep dive with us.